You are going to complete a course alignment template as part of this planning, designing, and building your course. We've provided the template. You'll insert your course goal here. For each goal, you'll insert the learning outcomes. And that's all that you will do in Module 1. As we move through Module 2, where we're talking about engaging students, then you will think about learning activities. And we've got different codes like discussion, blog, quiz, exam. If you're using something like an infographic or a website or external activity for students to complete, you can just code it as O for other. You'll do that in Module 2, so you'll add those learning activities in. And then in Module 3, when we're talking about assessments, you'll add in the assessment piece. So all you have to worry about for Module 1 is just putting in your goals and your learning outcomes for students to help them achieve that goal for your course. I hope this helps, and good luck.